Welcome to our channel. So today we're doing a slime challenge.
Slime challenge?
Yeah.
We're just making slime.
Yeah.
What color are we doing?
The pink one.
The pink one?
Yeah.
Okay. Come over here. We don't know. Scoot over. Okay. I need a spoon.
So in this you make it like when we do this. No, don't touch that.
Okay, hold on. We got this. Let me see. Scoot your face back.
We're gonna do that.
We got this from Walmart for $10.
Yeah, we got it for $10. And this one does. I'm
So
sure
it
you
says,
So it says
pour the glue.
Pour the glue in, and then you just have to do it. Out. Well, especially I don't just like.
What are you saying?
That looks like a spark. That looks like slime. So today we gotta jump this thing.
Hold on.
Okay,
I wish Jacob was here so he could do this.
Stop. Next time we'll do it. Stop.
Don't push her down.
Yeah, don't push her down. But every time the baby always does this. The baby. Why me?
We can't see your face. Go down more.
Go down.
No, go down more. Go down. Like that. I don't need it all, do I?
Yeah. Yeah.
No, just put it. Just
Say
say hi.
Hi today, guys.
Say hi, YouTube. We gotta come up with a name to call our YouTube people. What are we gonna call them? All the people that watch us. Ooh.
Cornus and Germ.
No, the people that watch us. Talia, get off. Get off the table.
I wanna name them.
Okay.
Do them that little by little because it gets hard.
Mommy.
Really? Are you sure?
Yay!
And then you just mix it?
Yeah.
Yeah, just mix it. Okay, mix it. It's gonna be. I just wanted this pink one. Oh,
I've never done this before, so
Yeah, we've never done it. So you just have to put just a little bit more. That's
keep
fine.
mixing it.
Yeah,
Add
keep
more.
making it. No,
Wait.
okay.
Okay, mix it. Wait, don't do it fast. Just mix it slow.
Mom, can I do it?
I'm helping you.
I'll do it, Mom.
Okay, hold on.
Fine.
It says it's washable. So.
Baba, sit
Let
down.
me see.
Please sit down. Mom, I wish we could do this. I'm telling you. Oh, it has to do that. Cool. Can I touch it?
More?
Yeah.
This is scary. I hope I don't ruin it.
I wish I could touch it like this and I could slap it and then I could just.
Uh-oh. It's almost getting there.
It's mixy.
So you might not have to pour the whole thing, or you do?
I'm not. I think I'm pretty sure.
Mommy. Yeah, you have to.
Ew, that's disgusting.
Just pour the whole thing.
You want to fail?
Yeah. Just pour it.
Ooh. Oh, I thought that was it.
I wish I could just slime. Wait, I gotta do.
Who came up with this?
I don't know.
created this shit?
I just wanted to hold
This
it.
is the most weirdest shit ever.
Mom, it's gonna come up. It's gonna come up. Okay, it's done now. Now can I take it?
It's not done.
Oh, come out! Okay. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. It's gonna come.
I don't think this spoon's working.
That is. Come on, touch it.
Ew, no. No!
Why you touching it?
It's not done.
Yeah. That's me. That's mine. That's mine.
Fix it.
That's mine.
You could start doing it with your hands.
Move. Let's see. My nails.
Have
Mom,
them do it.
it's already
Do it.
done.
Mix it. She's not gonna be able to. Let me see.
Oh my god, it's mixed. Just mix ketchup. Mom, is this one mine?
What do you mean?
Because I like pink one.
Nothing's ever just yours. You have sisters. No, girl. Put it
I
down.
just don't like sisters.
Oh.
I want to take them away.
You don't like sisters? Now it's sticking to my hands.
Mom, now can I have it?
Wait. I don't think it's done, no? It
Yeah.
shouldn't be sticky like that.
Yeah, 'cause
Yeah, that's done.
yeah, it's done. It's
Wait,
done.
I'm putting a little bit more.
Oh, Mom, it's done.
It's supposed to stick.
You gotta squish it. Yeah, it's supposed to.
It is?
Yeah. I'm mine, Mom. I'm mine. Give me.
We're not making both of them.
Yeah, let's make both of them. Yeah.
No, because
Why?
First of all, because you don't listen.
Yeah, let's
No.
listen. I'm listening.
You're not going to decide when you want to listen.
Yeah. No, I want to listen. Can I hold it?
Yes.
Okay.
Is that how it's supposed to be?
I'm doing mine.
You guys are sharing, so. Oh, fuck no.
Mommy, you're not
Do
gonna.
it, right?
You're,
Get it. I'm trying to.
no, Talia's gonna put it in her mouth.
Don't give her any. She can't have none.
Let's
You
see.
can't leave from
and do
here.
it.
You have to play it right with it right here. That's so gross.
No. Oh, it sticks together. Stick
Do
together.
a thumbnail. Like that in the camera.
Go like that. Look,
Show
Naraya.
your face. And do it.
Get down. Naraya, look, grab it and go like this.
Marissa, do it. Go down in the camera.
Go like that and pull it apart.
Okay.
Pull it apart with your hands like that. In the camera, girl. Look like this. Let me show you. Go like this. Put your hands in it and go.
Hey, baby.
I'm not
Mom,
doing it. Here.
it's really like slime, but I was like,
No, Talia.
Okay, go, Mom. You're so sticky.
Talia, you better not put it in your mouth. Get down so they can see you. You guys aren't even in the video.
Well, we just like playing with slime, but it's squishy.
What the heck? Go like that with it. Like
You'd
that.
have it all over.
Look. No!
Oh my god.
Look.
Touch it.
Look, I can make it bark. Remember you made it fart and then it farted? It's so squishy. Mom, it's so squishy. I wish I could.
Get down. You're not in the camera.
I just
Chris, do not get it on her clothes. Kneel down. Kneel down. Your face isn't in the camera.
Let's try to go down, Sticky.
It's all over your arm.
No, Sticky.
Kneel down.
Look.
On your knees. Like how she is. Look. Hey.
Hey,
Look.
it's so pretty. And I just like playing with slime.
There you go. No.
No. Nah. Look, she already got some. Bug.
You already have enough. Right here. Look at your hands. Grab it.
I always wanted slime. I'm gonna make it like a dinosaur. I wish I could spread it. Spread it.
What do you do with it?
Just this, flap
What's
it.
it for?
You just have to play with it. Look, see? Just play with it. Just no.
No, you don't put it in your
You
mouth.
gotta just spread it like that. Mine is really soft. Jaden, look! Guys, I didn't word it right.
What are you talking about?
Look, I got a loose teeth. Ah! I did it.
Oh my god. I told you. This damn kid. She got it on her shirt.
I did this. I'm so glad that I got
Sit.
so glad.
Sit.
Look, you're like,
You better not get it in your hair.
It's sticky. It's in my finger.
Don't get it on her hair. Okay. Say thank you for watching our channel.
Thank you for watching our channel. Thanks, guys. Watch your video.
Say make sure you like and subscribe.
Make sure you like it and subscribe.
Say share to your friends.
Share to your friends. If you always share with your sisters, just like me. So, bye.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Say we're doing a haul of my clothes. My mommy went shopping.
We're doing the club. My mom was shopping. My mom is shopping this day. Don't so something with me. Something.
Say see you guys next time.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Talia.
Bye.
Say bye.